Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenSwim Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, a iMac or a MacBook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode. You'll know that these are in pairing mode if it's blinking here, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? So let me put mine into pairing mode. So you have a minus and a plus button here. I'm going to go ahead and turn these off. I'm going to press and hold that plus button for a few seconds. Just wait. Okay, and there's that red light. Now it just turned off. Now I'm going to press and hold this plus button and wait until it starts blinking blue, red there. Okay, so plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold. I just keep holding, wait. Okay, blue, red. You can see it right there. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our MacBook here, and we want to go to the settings, so you can just go to the top left-hand side, click on that Apple logo, and we're going to go down to System Settings. And then from here, you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And now if you look down here, that little spinny thing, you can see it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red. And it did find the OpenSwim Pros right there. So I'm going to hover down there and I'm going to go over to Connect. And voila, you can see that we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset on these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.